In this tutorial, I will guide you how to play multiplayer in Super Bear Adventure mobile game. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Upon completing the story mode or tutorial, you'll come to this town here, which is a village. Now make sure to find a computer which is next to the web. So this is a computer or server. So make sure to stand on here and then just press B as it is asking you to press B. So press B. And then you are in multiplayer mode. Now what you need to do, just create a new party, invite friends in a new party. Now you'll be given your invite code, which is this one, which is 293086. So this is an invite code. You should give it to your friend. So I'm going to show you in my friend's phone. Now this is my friend's phone. As you can see, also he has completed the story mode or tutorial and he can access the computer or server. So make sure to go to this computer here. This is my friend's phone, and then I'm going to press B and then select join party, since we do have an invite code. So select join party. Now enter the invite code, and the invite code is 293086. Now click OK. As you can see, I've been added here next to my friend. Now what you need to do, you have to select here ready. So on the X here, make sure to tap on ready here on the X, and then it will come with a check mark. Now go to your another phone that you are trying to play a multiplayer with. So this is another phone, which is mine. So I'm going to press here ready. As you can see right now, I'm next to my friend. My friend can also move. So that's how you can play multiplayer in Super Bear Adventure. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.